healthy beauties. Today is Vlogmas day 4. So my computer is being retarded right now, and it is not letting me transfer footage from my SD card from my camera to my, what's it called, computer. And it's just a really old computer and it needs to be updated, but I don't have the money right now because of this. And so now I have to vlog on my phone and the quality is not the best, so bear with me. This is what is happening right now. We are cooking food. We have some cucumber. I'm about to cook a salad with the Salad Master machine. And then over here we have some ribs. So let's go ahead and get this cooking. This is what it looks like. We added some salt, as you saw. Whoa, that's really close. And we also added dill to this, balsamic vinaigrette, a little bit of avocado oil, pepper, and feta cheese. Tomatoes, you mix it all together, and this is what it comes out, and it's so good. It's super quick and easy to do. Woo! These are looking good. I think it's time to cut them and eat them. Here we go, time to eat. All right guys, we are going to a work event today. So I am gonna get ready, show you guys kind of like a quick overview of what I'm gonna do. I'm also going to add a little bit of the Kaya Naturals overnight dry shampoo. Now I know it says overnight, but do I really wear it overnight? No, because I always forget. So I just literally grab it and I add a little tiny bit and then kind of do my makeup, do whatever I need to do, and then massage it. So you don't necessarily have to do it overnight like it says. I never do. But yeah, so that's what I did with that. For this, I'm going to be using the Pacifica Light Clean Foundation. So this is the color, oh, what color is this? 25WM. And a little bit goes a long way. One pump is all I'm going to wear. I already did also my eyebrows because they take forever on camera. So we're just going to place this all over. And I have some new blemishes, you guys. Why? Why do they just have to ruin everything? I despise them. I'm sure everyone does. Can you imagine if someone actually said, oh, I love pimples? I don't think anyone does, but you know. And with this little tool, this is the UV brush. I'm going to blend this out. And I actually did a full first impressions video with this, which I have to edit and upload, so keep a lookout for that video. Right now, Lawless powder. I'm gonna be going to a Dave & Buster's today. They're doing kind of like a work, get to know each other type of event because a lot of us work from home and there's a lot of new people. And so we kind of want to unite the office, get the morale up, get everyone pumped. And they decided to host something for us at Dave & Buster's. So that's where I'm headed to. Now for the eyes, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna be wearing a burgundy coat. And I kind of want to wear the Kosas. Yeah, I think I am. You know, we're trying to keep it simple for work. So I'm gonna use the globe one. Or should I use the gold one? You know what? I think I'm gonna use the globe one. Keep it a little toned down for work. I really like the way this looked yesterday. It looked super pretty. So I'm gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, because you definitely have to shake these. And place it on one eye. And then with my finger, I just love the way this looks. Like, look how pretty that looks. So natural. And I think it's like perfect for this type of event. All right, look at that. I really like the way it looks simple, but it looks like I could put some sort of effort, but it's not too over the top, you know? I think it looks good. Now we're going to add a little bit of concealer to the high points. Like so. And I don't know what to use to blend this out. Well, I'll just use the usual, this little fat brush. And then of course, set the concealer. I don't know why every time I say concealer, I think of Conceal, Don't Feel, Frozen. You know? Am I the only one who thinks like that? Probably, because I'm a weirdo. But look at that. Ooh, yeah, girl. Mattify the high points, but highlight. Oh, my shirt's getting dirty. That's okay. All right, now, I don't know. I feel like I need something underneath. I may use a little bit more of the globe, but I feel like you have to be really precise with this. So I might just use, let me see, this little flat brush and grab it here and dab it. Oh yeah, that actually worked. So just dab it, dab, dab. Don't rub. I freaking love this! Look at you guys. Does it not look pretty? I love the way this looks. All right, next, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the brow bone highlight. And I'm gonna be using the Kosas, because it's just right here, Contra Chroma Pressed, this one. We're gonna use this to actually highlight as well as put a blush. And I don't know, I feel it looks pretty. So first we're going to highlight the brow bone with that same shade. Just right here. To lift up a little bit, clean it up. I might add a little bit to the inner corner. Oh yeah. And before I put the blush though, let's contour. So let me find, whatever I find first is what we're gonna use to contour. This is a very informal get ready with me, clearly. I found the 100% pure Cocoa Glow bronzer. So like always, place them here, here, here. Also, since I'm going out to an event, I want to kind of show you guys how this Kosas eyeshadow wears, because I've heard that it doesn't last long. I heard that it actually ends up falling like down under here. So I'm gonna let you guys know what actually ends up happening with that. But for now, we're just gonna blend. And then back to the blush, this Kosas one. We're gonna put wherever my blush brush is, right here. And then I highlight with a fan brush, same one. Oh yes, look at that highlight. Just looks so good. All right, for mascara, I'm gonna use my Fit Glow one, so I'll be right back. I found my Fit Glow mascara. It's been a hot minute since I've worn this one and I miss it. This really is an amazing formula. If I can get it out. Doesn't want to seem to come out. Here we go. It's really an amazing formula. I personally love it. I love the way my lashes look. It's definitely one of my top 3, that's for sure. So now, let's add some mascara. I will say when you first open it, it's a little wet, but then when it dries up a tiny bit, y'all, it's just so good. I mean, look at that. Do they not look pretty? They look so pretty. All right, so the mascara is done. And now, to just finish off the look, I was looking for the mascara. I forgot I had the lip serum in Bliss, y'all. So let's test it out. I think it'll look really good with this eye look. Look how pretty it is. Oh yeah. So I'm going to add this. Oh, it's pretty. Very subtle. You can kind of see. It has a little bit of shimmer. It looks very pretty though with the eyeshadow. Oh my god, I love the way this looked. Now I'm also gonna contour just my nose a little bit. Because we're gonna be taking pictures. And we need a little slim nose. All right, and this completes the look, you guys. So now is when I go ahead and just kind of shake my hair so I can get that dry shampoo nicely in it. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna find some cute earrings to go with it, put on my cute jacket, and call it a day. Super fast. Honestly, this is like one of the fastest I've ever gotten ready. In case you guys wanted to see it close up too, let's get close and personal, personal. But look at this. How pretty. All right, let's go get ready. I got my outfit on. Check it out, you guys. I put some little hoop earrings. I need to buy earrings. I don't have good earrings. And this is what I'm wearing. I got this belt at the thrift store. It was like, I don't know, like $5, but it's pretty cool. I have a normal black tee, and I got this little velvet jacket at DD's. It was $16.99, and then just some leggings, and I have these cool little boots on. But I think it's work appropriate. You know, we're going to Dave & Buster's. Nothing too cray-cray. But yeah, I'm running late, so I gotta go. Bye! Vlogmas with the one and only Shatani. made it back. And look, you guys, I want to show you. My eyeshadow is still going pretty strong. A little bit of creasing, but it still looks good overall. But now, let's eat our cheese advent calendar. We have the second night. We actually forgot to do yesterday and today. So we're gonna have to find it. So here's 1. Here's 3. Where's 2? Oh, Johnny found number 2. So, Ahmad, go for it. And we also gotta eat the chocolate one. I don't think we're gonna eat that tonight.
Why not?
Chocolate right now?
I always remember chocolate.
Gouda cheese! Ooh, that's good with arepas.
Yes, Gouda cheese.
Oh yeah. How about this one? The number 3. Today's 3, right?
Yep.
Alright, I got this one. Aged cheddar.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Oh, that one looks thick. Oh yeah, baby. Chop it up. And eat with almond crackers. Oh my gosh. Crackers, you guys. Cheese and crackers because I don't feel like cooking right now. And I really want to eat this. Not much has happened since the crackers. So we are currently watching The Outlander, which if you haven't seen it, you have to see it because it's amazing. Sassenach. I mean, it's so good. But it's late and I'm tired. And tomorrow's my day off. So let's see what we get into. But I'm going to end this vlog here. Short, sweet, not much. Did do kind of a mini tutorial, so hopefully you enjoyed it. But like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.